Okay guys, so today is Saturday. It's a pretty cool morning because it was raining yesterday, and yeah, it's a big thing in LA if it's raining and it's not like, the middle of the winter or spring. But anyway, so I got a call early in the morning at like 6 a.m. Yeah, 6 a.m. from the cops that they found my car. You guys know the 2000 Civic that has been stolen. So I'm going to go and check it out. It's not too far, it's like 15 minutes away. I'm hoping that, the car is not missing, anything like doors or engine or transmission, because, really like it wasn't such an expensive car, to take any of those out, but you never know. So I'm gonna go to the impound place, and I'll show you guys what the car looks like right now. Okay, let's go and drive over there. Okay guys, today is Monday and it's early in the, not early in the morning, it's like 10-11 a.m. It's already freaking hot, and the reason I'm making this video is to show you guys that I managed to get back the Civic. I'm actually sitting in the 2000 Honda Civic that it's been stolen for like, I think for like 3 weeks. And I just got it back. I had to pay like $495 or $96 to get it out of the tow yard. And the reason for this high price, because they called me early in the morning on Saturday morning that they finally found the car and it's sitting at that location, which is like 20 minutes away. Since you guys don't know the whole story, I'm gonna tell it, because it's not a big secret. So last time, I mean 3 weeks ago, when I went to the gym, I left the car in the parking structure in the mall. Yeah, it wasn't like a shitty ass mall. They have like mall security and all that stuff. They're always doing the patrols, blah blah blah. So I don't know if I left the driver's side open, I mean not open, like unlocked. I still closed the door, or it was fully unlocked, I don't know. And when I went to get my car, it was nowhere to be found, and I know where I parked. So I was like, where's my car? And yeah, it seems like they stole it. I had a couple tools in there, couple parts, but not like big parts, like some of the coil packs from my Evo, and yeah, a couple small things, what I had in my backpack. Okay, so I got back the car right now. I just parked it on the street, and they took my license plates, so I have to go to DMV right after I make this video and ask for a new one. Probably I have to pay some more over there, and I had to tow the car, and not just because I don't have the plates, it's because they messed up my transmission. Yeah. Okay, let's check out the car, because I guess you guys are really interested like how it was found. Okay, so the car was found exactly like what you see over here, except these keys. So they installed this piece of shit. I guess it's like interior lighting. I guess it's LED, probably it's blue or something. Hopefully they fixed the power for the lighter, because that wasn't working. Probably that's why they took it out. Okay, a bunch of shit over here. They probably wanted to keep this car and then tune it. They probably were smoking inside the car, because I can smell that shit. They left like this grandpa glasses in the car, some COVID bullshit. These are actually my papers. That's how they know how to identify the car, because as you guys can see, the VIN number should be over here, so they scraped it. Obviously They put some spray painting over there so the cops couldn't tell. Obviously they messed up the ignition system, so I cannot use my keys anymore with this shit. Obviously they broke the wheel loose, so yeah, that they left a shit ton of masks that I'm never gonna wear. Looks like they left the shitty ass AirPods. Yeah, with the charger, because they took one of mine. Okay, some more shit on the back, some tools, a shit ton of other stuff. Yeah, in the door too. But the biggest change is on the outside. As you can see, they gave me a shitty ass paint job, but actually it's still looking much better than it was before. And also they gave me these two aluminum wheels, probably some knockoff. They put these two shitty ass stickers over there. And I got back some of my stuff. Like, I know I got this one. This is my oil. This is two, and that's still mine. Yep, this is the one for my Evo. Still mine. This is still mine. Still for the Evo. Okay, the seat is mine too. These stuff are all mine. Yep, everything over there. And the stuff they left me is actually a couple other tools. Yeah, even this one is mine. Yeah, let's see. So they left a couple of these heads for the ratchet. Yeah, all these over here. But they took mine, which is hold on. Yeah, so they took my set of tools, which was like brand new. It's the same thing, you know, just from Cobalt. And they took my pump and they left this shitty ass pump. But at least, you know, they gave me back. Yeah, this is my tool as well. Okay, let's check on the front. Yep, as you guys can see, no license plate, and they managed to break some fucking wheel studs. So I have to replace those two, obviously. Let's check out the engine bay. Yep, so the biggest changes is this piece of shit cold air intake, or short ram. I think this is more like a short ram. So they took my my air box out, and the way they put this thing back, I don't know like how far this shit would go, and they messed up the transmission somehow. But the engine fires up, so that's a good thing at least.